Am I audible? Hello. So I think YouTube live streaming is delayed by 60 seconds or something. Is anyone there? Can you hear me? So just type in the chat box. Then I'll start. Let me just check this sound. Yeah, the sound is fine. So let's start. So, yeah. Hello everyone. Today is 10th of November and as you already know, today we had our expiry. So, how was your expiry? आपका expiry कैसा गया? Please comment में you can tell me in the comments below. So let's start discussing what happened today. So the first thing was, in yesterday's video I discussed clearly that whatever happens, like the main point was huge call writing and huge put buying. Okay, so overall it was a sell, and in the morning I noticed yes, but there was also another question. If there is a gap down, then there would be a question mark of what to do next. Okay, but after there was a gap down, even the further call writing was being done. So call writing was being done at 18,000, 18,050, 18,100 and everywhere. Okay, so even somewhere at done at 17,950. Okay, so call writers were active. 9:24 a.m. update, and yes, also put writers were active at 18k. So 18,000 was the major point where both the sides writing was done, even in the morning. Okay, so in the morning at 18,000 also writers were present. Okay, so now if you have noticed my positions in the morning, so they were really aggressive positions. Why? Because the main so let me explain why I took it. So I saw that when during this time when Nifty was making so if you see the very first candle, so you'll see that it has a weak upward. Okay, so it was going up. So I saw that the call writers were present. Even at 18,000 call writers were present. 18,050 was the max pain point, and the price at 18,000 call side was 97. Okay, 96, 97. Okay, so the major thing was like, even if like I totally understand, like Nifty won't go down or whatever, but 18,100 huge call writing was being done. So even if my bad luck persists, today it was a very bad luck, what I would have lost, like even Nifty was ending at 18,100, then it's just 3 points I would be losing. So I saw a very nice opportunity there, that yes, and if it expires at 18,050 also, if it goes below 18,050, then also I'll be done, like I'll gain a huge profit. Okay, so that's why I took an aggressive position in the morning, and even I notified my members that yes, only at 18,000 you need to worry about, because these put writers are present. Also call writers were present, but the put writers were mainly present. The put writers were not present anywhere, only that at that 18,000. So yes, that was the point. And yes, so finally, I mean, just after this, like I took it, and I mean, the market came down and the price went below 40, and sorry, the price went, I think, yeah, below 50 or something. I don't exactly remember, so you can just go and check. So even I can check on my order list. Yes, so I took it at 96.33, and then I closed it at 52.95. Yes, so 52.95 I closed. So there was almost 1200 quantity. So that means you are having almost how much? 24 lots. Okay, so 24 lots of selling I did. So yes, I closed it here. And then again market started coming up, but here let's come to the next update. So yes, 18,084 and 41,500, these were the major resistance point, even we discussed in yesterday's video, and yes, those acted as very nice resistance. And yes, the next update was here, that is here I closed my positions just within not even half an hour. So yes, and after that both came to that support, like Bank Nifty was at 41,500 and Nifty was at near about 18,000. So there it's a no trading zone, so that's why I just I left. I was not trading at that point. And yes, even I told that if they go below 18,000 or Bank Nifty goes below 41,500, it would be temporary. Again, they would be coming up. Okay, because at 41,500, both the sides writing was being done, like at 18,000. Okay, and yes, now at 11:19 there was the update that huge call writing was being done at 41,500, and yes. If you see the move after 11:37, so in Bank Nifty, so 11:37, so this is the candle 35 to 40. So just at the top I gave the update that huge call writing, and that was at around 41,500. okay, and after that you see a sharp fall in Bank Nifty. So I mean today's it was a great expiry day for us. So yes, that was another call. So then the next call was like here this suddenly like the score jumped. So that was at around 11:37. So if you look at here 11:31, then 35, you can see 5, then 12, then 19. Okay, so Nifty score jumped and Bank Nifty score also jumped, but yes, 11:37 from -24 to -7. Okay, so even before the candle, like 11:35 candle, it jumped. So both of them jumped at 11:35 around, and there was a small green candle, but that was, so this is the candle 11:35 to 11:40 in Nifty, though it was not a huge move, and this was the candle in Bank Nifty. So I took an option buying, and then I just simply closed it with some small profit. And yes, that was the sign that a major quantity has been offloaded, like by the big players. Okay, so they were like, this is the preparation, like the first phase was here when they were offloading their bearish positions. Okay, and yes, after that again I waited for the next signal, and that was at around 13:56, sell on rise for now. Okay, so 13:56, if you go here, so 13:55, this is the candle 13:55 to 2 p.m. So during this candle I gave the update. The next candle, yes, though it was green, so the next 4 candles 5 minutes, so the next 20 minutes it stayed above that level, and again it came down. Okay, and but in Nifty it was a very nice move. So here when did I give that update? I think 156. So 156 is almost here. So this is the candle. So this is the candle where I gave. So again it stayed at that level, and finally again it came down. Okay, and then also I gave the message to close it. So 1421 we closed it. Okay, and yes, so even and after that again Nifty went above 18,000, and there were also put writers at 18,050. So even Nifty tried to save them also, so minimize their loss basically. And yes, so that's all the major updates. And yes, there was one more thing. So when when both the scores increase, so I gave this level, that is this level, that is 18,046. This level was then very, very important. So if that level was breaking, then further fall. Okay, so 1152, if you see 1152 here, 55. So yeah, this is the candle 1152. So let's go to Nifty 1152. So yes, 50 to 55, this is the candle. Yeah, so at this point it was above it, so it was at 18,050. So I clearly told that 18,046 would be the level. So as soon as it like broke that level, you see that there was a nice fall in Nifty also. So yes, these were all the updates and the levels which were clearly discussed. Yeah. Yeah, Krishna, hi Krishna, hi Prashant. So as I told you, like since you are a member, Krishna, so I told you clearly that 18,050 is the max pen level, but after a certain point the max pen level did change. It went to 18,000 also. So but the thing is that these max pen levels mostly work during the expiry days. Okay, so Joshi, I don't know who is Joshi sir. So yeah, Prashant Prashant Joshi. Yeah, hi Prashant. So tomorrow gap up or gap down Bank Nifty. Yeah, so I'm going to discuss that. So yes, Krishna, hi. So yes, I'm going to discuss everything now. So now this was all the updates for today, and yes, we had a very nice expiry today, and yes. So now the next thing is let's discuss the end of the data. Though during these after these expiry days, what the major problem is, we don't have much data from the option chain, but still we can say something from this data. So you can very well clearly see that the futures, the FIIs are closing their futures long. Okay, so not in huge quantity, but still they are closing. But today they have made a huge futures short position. So these future short positions, they are mostly in Nifty, and they are at this level of 18,050. Okay, so during this period they were making these writing positions. Okay, so yes, that's the thing. And yes, so let's go to the option chain. So option chain, if you see call writing, put writing, both are the same quantity. Put writing is a little bit more. So you might think that okay, so I'll go with put writing, but look here, there is put buying. Okay, so there is put buying, so that you need to be careful about. So if you see that for these call writing positions, okay, so if this is the amount required for hedging, then why just for a little bit increase in put writing, almost the same quantity, why this much extra amount of put buying is required? So what they are doing actually is they are hedging their futures long positions with these put buying quantities. Okay, so the thing is that they are going to actually take out the profit from these futures short positions, and they are they will slowly be going to close these future long positions. If that happens, okay, so we will have to analyze tomorrow would be a very major day. Why? Because XGS Nifty is bouncing like too much. So XGS Nifty is above 18,300. So the thing is that for now things are looking bearish, but again tomorrow suddenly everything changes, then it's like a different story. But for now tomorrow would be a very, the data how they are piling it up. So if the data goes or the analysis goes according to that, so it's a very very nice opportunity, because there would be a gap up. If so like where is XGX Nifty is currently at 18,407. Okay, so I mean, even like I don't know, huge gap up. Okay, so after that huge gap up, the big players would definitely try to adjust their position, so try to be very careful. So I mean, during this huge gap up, so if these huge gap ups are there, then either like it will stay and consolidate for a very long time, or it will like and finally it will come down. Okay, because they have these put long positions which will totally go worthless, like 50% would just vanish out. So I mean, again, like and also these call writing positions, they would be at a loss. And also if you see the Propdex data, so Propdex data is suggesting what, that is, again they have the call writing and put writing almost the same quantity. Put writing is a little bit more, but here what you have is put buying quantity is like I mean in huge, so they also haven't closed much of their put buying quantity. Okay, so I don't know why. So the put buying quantity is also huge for the Propdex also. So yes, the Propdex and the FIIs are like going together. And if you see the Propdex futures data, they have also closed but not much futures long, but they have also closed futures short positions. But the FIIs are the only ones who have made futures short positions. And talking about the DIIs, if you see, so DIIs have so these futures short positions, so they have kept these futures short positions, so they haven't closed or made anything new. So a little bit close, but almost the same. So overall the futures shorts are like yes, I mean dominating. So let's see, I mean, they might tomorrow close everything at a loss, but I don't think so. Okay, so that's the thing. So for now I think at this amount of rise, it would be a nice opportunity to go for sell. Okay, so everything is looking bright, and I mean on the charts and everything. And finally, like the downfall might come. Okay, the reversal might come, but again let me warn you that if the data changes like as a whole, like tomorrow huge put writing is starting, like to recover their loss they might start huge put writing, and then take Nifty and BankNifty to again a new all-time high, and Nifty to all-time high. But that is a different scenario. As of now, it doesn't show, this data doesn't show that a huge up move is possible. Okay, and also if you come to the buying, so FII's buying quantity has been I mean today just they bought 36 crores. Okay, and also in the FNO segment, if you see that futures, they have shorted heavily, so they have invested like 1519 crores. So don't think it's a joke. So we have to be serious. But yes, again the move might come after 2 to 3 days also. But so if it's at 18, so if you see that let's go to the option chain. Yeah, and also let's discuss where the big players are present. So yes, if you see at 18,000, okay, on both the sides, so this is the next expiry. So you see on both the sides at 18,000 positions have been built up. Okay, at both the sides. So that means they were looking I mean to make Nifty consolidate, so they have made short straddle. So they were looking for Nifty to I mean go for I mean upward and downward at that level. But the thing is, like US markets have pumped up so much, like 5%, 4%. I mean Dow Jones is up by 2.47%, and S&P 500 is up by 3.98%. So yeah, let's see how long that stays. But if that is so, if it comes so much up, then go at all time high and near about all time high, like at 18,600, though the price is not that high for now. So also you can do one thing, like you can go to the next monthly so the next one is the monthly option chain. So in the monthly option chain, you can take these short positions at 18,600 or 18,700. Okay, so that would be my strategy for now. But yes, we have to again look at the new data. That is, yes, the major point is they have to close their futures short positions. Okay, and so if you think that this 300 points or 400 points up move, it's not a big deal for them, because if you remember in the last month, okay, so when suddenly all of a sudden FI has made huge put futures short. Okay, so that was at around 17,000 and 17,600 to 17,700. So at that region they made their futures short positions huge quantity. Okay, but then after that Nifty went to 18,100. Okay, so almost before just touching 18,100, it reversed and it went straight to 17,000 and also below, like it went to 16,800 also. So just check the last time when it went to 16,800. Okay, so what happened just before that. So that's the thing, like it's not a very big deal for them, but we have to give them time to adjust their position. So that's the thing. So if there is a huge rise like that, so if huge put writing is not being done, so we can go for short positions. Okay, so we can go for sell on rise. And yes, so at Nifty 18,000 call writing has been done. 18,100 you can see huge call writing has been done. 18,200 also huge call writing has been done. So the big players have done call writing there. So they would just be trapped for tomorrow. And also if we go into Bank Nifty, so Bank Nifty 41,500 call writers are present mostly. So why? Because if you go to the 1-day chart, again you see 41,500 is the level now. So that needs to be broken down at in 1-day candle. So so this is the major point. So 41,500 if you look at here. Okay, so you see that 41,500, 41,600, so these call writing positions are there. Okay, and even like some call writing has been done at 42,000. Okay, which is like the all time high for now. So yeah, that would be the update for today. So be very careful. So it might not happen like how it happened last time, like before the huge crash, 12,400 and then the huge crash. So be careful this time. Everyone is enjoying the all time high. So but yeah, we are very near to it, but let's see what happens. But the big players data is not looking that bright. And also today this this market declining also was there. So overall it's not a very good thing. Okay, so yes, that would be okay. I think I haven't discussed the levels, so let me again discuss the levels. So 18,084. So as we discussed this level yesterday also, so you see nicely it acted as resistance today, and 18,200, then 18, yeah. So the next level would be 18,335. Okay, so if market goes above this level 18,335 and it stays above that level, so then we have to analyze the data in a fresh way, because then the all-time high can be initiated, but again we'll have to see to that. Okay, so the thing is that, yeah, and if it opens a gap up, but it's in this region between 18,335 to 18,084, then there would be some consolidation. Okay, and for Bank Nifty again, if it opens between these two levels, that is the previous all-time high was at around 81,853. So again it would consolidate between 41,500 to that level. Okay, or maybe 42,000 can act as resistance. Okay, so that's the level for Bank Nifty and Nifty. So yeah, XGX Nifty is looking very good. Yeah, gap up. So yeah, Prashant Joshi, hi. So gap up is possible. If not suddenly, like the US market starts crashing down, which has happened in the past, but I mean, Nasdaq is like 5.47% up. So yes, our XGX Nifty has made a high of 18,412. So if that still remains in the morning, then we can expect Nifty above 18,335 or almost at that level, opening almost at that level, and then it might take support there, or it might act as resistance and it might come down. So anything is possible, but majorly the main possibility is that it might come down again, the data suggests, because these put buying quantities, they would just go worthless, and also these futures short positions. But for the future short positions, they have time, because till the next next expiry they have time. Okay, so let's see what happens, but for now, like they also have a nice amount of call writing position, so I don't think they would go into that huge loss for now, but yeah, let's see. So yes, that would be my updates. Even if you like the next monthly expiry, so it's not that far away, it's just 2 weeks from now. So even if we just go and safely short, let's look at the monthly option chain. So 24, yeah, if we just simply go, so if it comes gap up, so look at here, 18, even at 18,700 we would expect a price of around 30 to 40 or maybe even 50 if it's such a gap up of 400, like 300 to 400 points. Okay, so that is possible. So we might go to all-time high also, like, and then take the short positions. So yes, that would be the strategy for now. So let's see what happens tomorrow, the fresh positions, but I'm not feeling bullish after looking at the FII's data. So let's see what happens. So if you have any queries or questions, you can ask. And also Twitter followers, you see I have posted these major updates. When did I post it? Like I posted it at around 11:44. So after that also there was still some advantages that you could have taken. So yes, but since market is so volatile, that's why, like I'm taking positions, and then I'm like keeping a track of everything, and then I have to like handhold the members and everything. So after that I'm not getting time, because if the market is less volatile, then I get time to post on Twitter, but when market is very volatile, then I hardly find any time. But yes, I'll try my best to do. And also tomorrow I'll try to do live streaming, so that you can see how the scores are going on in the live market. So yes, that would be for today. So if you have any queries or questions, you can ask. Otherwise, I'll end it here. Okay then, so yeah, thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. And again, the final conclusion would be to sell on rise, but if you don't feel comfortable tomorrow to go for sell on rise, don't do it. Wait for tomorrow's end of the day data. Then the whole Monday to Thursdays will be left for you to trade. So nothing is missing out. Okay, so everything is there, so don't ruin your weekend mood. So I would suggest that. But yes, again, let's see what happens tomorrow. So tomorrow's first fresh data is like the first hour data would be very, very important. So that would be the final thing. So yeah, thanks for watching. Keep watching and keep learning and trade safely, and see you in the next one.